Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective natural fat cutter drink that helps to cut your belly fat. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mug like this, add a spoon of fennel seeds. Fennel is high in nutrients such as fiber, vitamin C, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and manganese. It contains powerful plant compounds. It suppresses appetite and thus the calorie intake is reduced to a great extent. It is very good for your heart health. It also has cancer fighting properties. Parsley is rich in vitamin K that helps to clot the blood and contribute in bone health. Parsley is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which help to reduce the risk of health conditions like diabetes, stroke, heart disease and cancer. Then add 1 cup of hot water. The essence and benefits of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. Cover and rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to the same mug. Then add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the mug. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy and natural fat cutter drink is ready. Enjoy this drink right away for best results. You can consume this drink on an empty stomach to get the full benefits of the ingredients. This drink improves your metabolism and cut down the belly fat. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this natural fat cutter drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.